Howdy, y'all. I'm so grateful to see you again today. I'm gonna be teaching you another cowboy recipe. This one's called Cowboy Cornbread Casserole. Giddy up with me and let's go make it. Grab a pan, we're cooking a pound of beef. Get on in there. Meanwhile, grab a bowl. We need 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix in there, 2/3 cup of milk, and 2 eggs. Mix that together and set it aside. The meat is browned. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, or you could use one of those taco seasoning sachets. Add a can of Rotel tomatoes, a drained can of corn, and a can of pinto beans. I'm going to use these chili pinto beans. I'm going to add about a cup of Mexican style cheese blend. I'm going to mix it up and let it simmer for 5 minutes. I'm going to add that meaty mix to the cornbread mix and mix it all together. Stir it till fully combined. Pour that into a prepared 9x13 baking dish. Cover that up and bake it on 425 for about 40 to 45 minutes. All done. I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes. As you see, I added a little cheese on top. Cowboy Cornbread Casserole. I'm serving it with a little sour cream. That is a great casserole. It's definitely a nice stick to your ribs kind of casserole. Love the spice in there. This is wonderful. What happens when a cowboy dies and comes back to life? Reincarnation.